I liked the body part of the vehicle more than, under the hood. So I'd heard about this program. Well, that sounds like a sweet opportunity, so I'm gonna go and check it out.
On my first day when I walked in, I was like, there's literally no girls here. It's a little weird at first, and then you get used to it, and it kind of doesn't really affect you anymore. One of my favorite parts about coming to Sno-Isle is the community and having all my supportive friends with me there, even if they're from different schools or rival schools or whatever. It's not like an AP class where you have like a bunch of assignments all the time piled on you and everything matters. It's a lot less stressing than a regular class would be.
I'd say my favorite thing is getting in the paint room.
It's helping me get all my certificates and basic knowledge of everything early on so that I can have that on my resume for getting a job while I'm still in high school.
I got accepted to WyoTech in Wyoming, so I'll be going there for Autobody and upholstery. The upholstery is going to be totally new, but I think it sounds like a really fun thing to do, and there's definitely opportunity there. So now I feel like I could be the top of my class there.
It's so much more fun because it's something I really enjoy doing, and it's something that's going to boost me on in my career.
Personally, it's way better than being in 3 periods at your setting school, If you enjoy using your hands and, seeing a product that you created, then this is the place for you to be. It's going to give you opportunity.